We need a function to detect when the spaceship touches the landing pad. To do this, we'll use sprite sensing and create a landing check thread that asks the question, am I touching the spaceship? Since the landing check thread is a function of the landing pad, click the landing pad sprite to highlight it. This brings us to the code page for the landing pad. To create our landing check thread, drag the When Clicked icon to the script workspace from the Events menu. Drag a forever loop to the script workspace from the Control menu and attach it to When Clicked. Drag an If-Then icon between the forever pincers. Click Sensing. And drag a touching icon into the if hexagon. Then select Rocket Ship from the drop-down list. Now we have a landing check thread that can sense when the spaceship touches the landing pad. But then what needs to happen? First, the spaceship needs to stop moving. The landing pad knows when it's been touched, but how does the spaceship know to stop? Watch Lesson 12 to find out. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.